Hi, this is Abul Kalam. Today we are going to learn aptitude. Okay, this aptitude learning kit will be very helpful for you. Just watch continuously all the aptitude learning kit material. Okay, videos, and kindly post your feedbacks. First question: A fires 5 shots to B 3, but A kills only once in 3 shots, while B kills once in 2 shots. When B has missed 27 times, A has killed. This question has been purposely given to confuse you, but we can take as a ratio. As I said, if you are strong in ratio, you can do many things. So shots fired by A is to B is 5 is to 3. Hits or targets kills A 1/3, B 1/2. B missed 27 times. That means B has hit 27. So total is 54. 3 into 18, 54. So the same way A will be 90. So A killed 1/3 in 90, 30. Two numbers are respectively 20% and 50% more than the third number. The ratio of the two numbers is. How to do this question? They are given two numbers are in the ratio 20 is to 50. The ratio of the two numbers is. Okay, it is more than the third number. Simple thing, we can take the third number as 100. Take the three numbers A, B, C. Let the third number be C, B, 100. What will be the A and B? It is 120 and 150. Since I have taken 100, 20 simply we can add 20% more we can add. So 120 is to 150 is 4 is to 5. So the lowest fraction is 4 is to 5. The ratio of the two numbers 4 is to 5. Okay, the last question for today's session. If x plus 1 by x equal to 3, then x cube plus 1 by x cube. Okay, how to do this? We know a cube, a plus b whole cube. What is a plus b whole cube formula? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. But here a is x, b is 1 by x. That you have to remember. Once you know that, you can do easily. So x plus 1 by x whole cube equal to 3 cube. So x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 into x into 1 by x into x plus 1 by x equal to 27. So we know x plus 1 by x equal to 3. So once you solve x cube plus 1 by x cube, you will get 18. Very simple question, isn't it? Yes.